Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you that are new here, my name is Mari and welcome to my channel. So I do a lot of motivational cleaning videos, some decor videos as well, and I do the occasional vlogs also. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. So for today's video, what I have for you is just cleaning out my kitchen, doing a bunch of dishes, putting them away. It was my daughter's birthday, so we had an indoor quarantine birthday party for her, and I just had so many dishes to wash, especially after that and after dinner. So I am absolutely loving my new kitchen. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, make sure you go check it out. It's my new kitchen reveal, and I'm pretty sure you'll love it just as much as I do.
Makes me wanna risk it every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you're forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe. others. They do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Our love is growing cold. You're leaving out the door and say I don't know when I'll be home. Like needles in my heart, it's tearing me apart. Just trying to find a light in the dark. I know that you're afraid, believe me when I say it's alright, we'll get by. Our colors fade away, I hope it's just a phase. I tell myself that we'll be okay. So hold on to me, baby, hold on. Put your hands into mine, wanna feel So hold on to me, baby, hold on. Got our souls intertwined, I'm not letting go. To be a way out of this place. Just gotta follow our tracks. Remember what you said.
So this is it for this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here, part of our family. And again, you guys, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Working it out, you're all that matters to me. So hold on to me, baby, hold on. Put your hands into